Good morning, friends. I am Manjusha Borkar. Today we are going to see the transformation of Lorentz contraction factor 1 minus u dash square by c square raised to 1 by 2. In relativistic mechanics, we consider two frame of references S and S dash, in which S dash is moving with velocity v. So let us consider u and u dash be the velocities of a particle measured in the frames S and S dash respectively. And S dash is moving with velocity v relative to S along x dash axis. So u is equals to ux, uy, uz, three factors along three axes x, y and z. So u square is equals to ux square plus uy square plus uz square. Now in S dash, it is u dash square is equals to ux dash square plus uy dash square plus uz dash square. And we have seen the transformation of velocities, that is ux dash, uy dash and uz dash, as ux dash is equals to ux minus v upon 1 minus v by c square ux, uy dash is equals to uy upon alpha in bracket 1 minus v by c square ux, uz dash is equals to uz upon alpha 1 minus v by c square ux, where alpha is equals to 1 minus v square by c square raised to minus 1 by 2. So u dash square, by putting these values we get ux minus v upon 1 minus v by c square ux bracket square plus, as uy dash and uz dash having denominator same, so plus uy square plus uz square upon alpha square in bracket 1 minus v by c square ux bracket square. This is u dash square. Now you have to find out transformation of Lorentz contraction factor 1 minus u dash square by c square raised to 1 by 2. We have find out u dash square. Now 1 minus u dash square by c square, this is equals to 1 minus, this one is complete u dash square and divided by c square, and here 1 upon alpha square, alpha is 1 minus v square by c square raised to minus 1 by 2. So 1 upon alpha square is, it is written in numerator 1 minus v square by c square. So this is our 1 minus u dash square upon c square. Now we will simplify it. Here is a bracket uy square plus uz square. Now from this equation u square is equals to ux square plus uy square plus uz square. We will put the value of uy square plus uz square from this equation. So this equation becomes uy square plus uz square as a u square minus ux square, and by cross multiplication we get 1 minus v by c square ux bracket square minus this bracket as it is in bracket ux minus v bracket square plus 1 minus v square by c square, that is 1 upon alpha square, into uy square plus uz square as a u square minus ux square and whole divided by c square, this bracket divided by c square, and complete this divided by 1 minus v by c square ux bracket square. Now we will simplify this one. First we will expand this first bracket. So this is equals to 1 minus twice v by c square into ux plus v square by c raised to 4 ux square minus, now expand this ux minus v bracket square and this bracket divided by c square, so ux minus twice uxv plus v square and whole divided by c square, that is ux square by c square minus twice uxv by c square plus v square by c square. And now multiply these two brackets, that is 1 minus v square by c square multiplied by u square minus ux bracket square. So 1 into u square by c square minus ux square by c square, then minus u square v square by c square, or bracket out of bracket there is divided by c square, so we get c raised to 4, and last term is plus v square by c raised to 4 ux square, and denominator as it is 1 minus v by c square ux bracket square. Now by cancelling some terms we get only 4 terms, so this is equals to 1 minus v square by c square minus u square by c square plus u square v square by c raised to 4 divided by denominator as it is, and this is equals to 1 minus u square by c square into 1 minus v square by c square upon denominator same 1 minus v by c square ux bracket square. So this is our Lorentz contraction factor. By taking square root we get 1 minus u dash square by c square is equals to 1 minus u square by c square 1 minus v square by c square in square root upon 1 minus v by c square ux is, and its inverse transformation is by changing prime into unprime and v into minus v. So we get square root of 1 minus u square by c square is equals to 1 minus u dash square by c square in square root into square root 1 minus v square by c square divided by 1 plus v. By changing v into plus v, so we get 1 plus v upon c square ux dash square. So this is our transformation of Lorentz contraction factor. Thank you.